About the values of multi-level logic, Hubbard in 1950-51, in particular Science of Survival, established that the most advanced logic is the infinite value logic, which means that there's an infinite gradient between absolute right and absolute wrong, and that absolute right and absolutely wrong, the absolutes, cannot be attained. Therefore, anyone taking any action will be somewhere in between, and only a static will be exempt from being at least partially wrong or partially bad. What matters really is that one needs to be mostly right, or as close to right as possible. It's in the same train of thought as differential calculus, where one approximates and goes as close to infinitely close to the sought value as possible. The fact is, this polarization that people are either black and or white, that someone is either for us or against us, is a very primitive understanding of logic, and it is no more advanced than the concept of the 5 elements of earth, wind, fire, the 4 elements of earth, wind, fire, and earth. Therefore, the concept of logic and good and evil is only answered to infinitely value logic, and it's only for political agendas or ulterior motives that one would start to label things as only black and white. And this is out of that faulty primitive logic has come something as monstrous as a fair game law, where people are declared fair game. Nobody can be a little bit bad or requiring some type of ethics gradient, out of which there's 56 ethics gradients. But no, someone has to be completely evil or completely false. And this is against politically motivated logic.